Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic AI chatbot which is powered by GPT-4. So in this chatbot, we are going to explore with some research prompts and let us see how this chatbot will generate. So as it is generate the content using GPT-4. So let us see how the content will be unique and useful for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on power converters, modeling, design and applications. So in this workshop, we are going to model design values, that is LNC parameters of buck and boost converter, and then we are going to make open loop and closed loop simulations with their converter with proper PID controller tuning. And then we are going to fed that converters with input as renewable energy sources, that is PV and wind as renewable energy sources, and we are going to analyze how that converter perform for that particular renewable energy sources. And then we are going to connect that setup, that is renewable energy powered converter, to an EV charging station to charge the battery and also provide supply to that EV vehicle, that is electric vehicles. So like that, how converters will stabilize the applications, that is very important. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Mynt AI. So it's a AI chatbot. So here you can see it's a AI model GPT-4 Turbo. So here you will be having a chat bot, so a chat option. So and also you can export this chat to copy or chat. You can download it as a PDF or Word, or you can that is you can edit here itself. You can copy and paste the content and you can edit here itself. As I have already started to explore this Mynt AI, so let us explore with some research prompts and how it will work out. The first input prompt I have given is a general common prompt, that is explain about renewable energy. So here this is the output generated by that prompt, that is renewable energy refers to energy generated from natural resources that can be continuously replenished. These sources include sunlight, wind, rain, tides, waves and geothermal heat. Unlike fossil fuels, which are finite and produce harmful emissions, renewable energy sources are sustainable and environmental friendly. They play a crucial role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions, limiting global warming and providing a diverse range of energy supplies that enhance energy security. Common types of renewable energy technologies include solar power, wind power, hydroelectric power, biomass and geothermal energy systems. So this is how the content is generated using this prompt. So let us explore with some research prompts. So I am going to give an input prompt, research prompt to generate an abstract. Generate an abstract for the research paper titled Machine Learning Algorithm for battery management system. So like that you can give an input prompt. Let us see how this AI will generate answer for us. So here I have given generate an abstract for. So here you can see that a research paper presents a cutting edge machine learning algorithm specifically designed for battery management system. The algorithm aims to optimize performance and extend lifespan of batteries and used in various applications. So like that it is generating a content. So next I am going to copy and paste some references here. So here I am going to use some references. So let us see whether it will generate a literature review and introduction or not. So copy any 5 references, paste here. So and give an input prompt. From the above 5 references, generate introduction for them, or before you can give generate literature review with proper citation and also introduction for them. So let us see how it will works out. So we have given 5 different references. So here you can see, so based on the provided references, here you can see the introduction is generated, and also you can generate literature review also. So here you can see that the literature review also generated. So yes, it works out well for us. So you can automate your literature review using this AI tool also. So here you can see that. So let us that is in order to make a clear understanding about the literature review generated by this particular tool, I am going to copy and paste the content here. So here you can see this is the introduction. So thereby you can get a clearer view. So introduction, after that you can see that this is literature review. Yes, this is literature review. Yes, it is with proper citation only generated. It is that is APA format of referencing, that is literature review. So here you can see that this is the introduction. Photovoltaic systems are increasingly significant in global push towards renewable energy. One of the critical challenges in optimizing PV system efficiency is managing the energy output. Yes, it works out well. So it giving a perfect introduction only, because as I have familiar with this references, it is generating a perfect introduction. So you can use this AI chatbot to generate better introduction for you also. So next, moving on to literature review with the proper citation of all the 5 references we have given. So it is generated a detailed literature review only. So here you can see Young et al. 2009 introduced a novel bio-inspired mimic salt swarm algorithm aimed to optimizing MPPT for PV system affecting partial shading. So this approach not only addresses efficiency under vary shading, but also emphasizes cleaner production practices. So like that, it is generating a better literature review also. So like that, you can give any research prompt you want in this particular AI tool. So and then you can generate a better content, as it is powered by GPT-4 Turbo. So you can make use of this option and make your research paper writing very better, easy. So rather than using you often use it to generate content from GPT 3.5. So GPT 4 will give an unique content. So you can make use of this option to generate content for your research paper writing. So go on and explore this Mint AI with your different research prompts. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.